Welcome students. Today we will start our science class. This is second period children and we will do today chapter number 7. New chapter we will start, that is chapter number 7. In the new syllabus you have seen that chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for first half yearly examination, and then in the month of October the chapter is, we will start from chapter number 7, birds and their nest. Open your book everyone. I am reading the chapter and you also read with me. We have helped Aryan to get familiar with different types of land and water animals in lesson number 5. Now let us help him to know more about birds. You must have seen many birds having different sizes and color. Children, you can see in this picture and can identify. The first picture is of crow, second is peacock, third is sparrow, and then the last one is parrot. Birds are chirpy and colorful. They are very colorful. They make our world beautiful place. Birds are very beautiful. Their chirping sound. They can fly in air, hence they are known as aerial animals. Birds are known as aerial animals because they can fly in air. What do you think helped them to fly? Birds can easily fly and float in air because of some special features. Children, birds have some special features that help them to fly in the air. And what are the special features birds have? First one, they have hollow bones which make their body light. Their bones are hollow, pipe-like, and that makes their body light. Wings that are made up of light feathers. Their wings are also light. Pointed, sharp and boat-shaped body. Their body is boat-shaped, pointed and sharp. This helps them to fly in the air. It means birds have some special features. They have hollow bones, they have light feathers, they have boat-like body, and these features make them aerial animals. In addition to these features, birds also have beaks and claws. Birds don't have teeth. They have they have claws, beaks and claws to catch food and to build their nest. Beaks help the bird to catch their food, to build their nest, and also they use this beak to clean their feather and also fight with enemy. Do you know? Some birds do not fly as their bodies are quite heavy. Penguin is one such bird. Children, all birds cannot fly. Some birds do not fly as their bodies are quite heavy. Penguin, emu, ostrich, cassowary. These are birds that do not fly because their body is heavy. In this picture, children, you can see the beautiful bird. See the color, how beautiful this bird is. This is also red color. And you can see in this picture the beak of the bird. These type of beak help them to catch the fish. In this picture, you can see claws of the bird. Claws are very helpful for them. They cling to the trees with the help of claws. They catch the prey. These claws are helpful for bird. You can see feather in this picture, the light feather you have just read. Birds' wings are made up of light feather which help them to fly. This is the feather of a bird. Now next page children, do you know there are about 10,000 kind of birds. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. It is only 5 centimeter in size. Ostrich is the largest bird. It may grow up to 2.5 meter. Means the largest bird is ostrich and the smallest bird is hummingbird. Come to the next topic, nest of birds. Nest is a bird's home. We can see nest of birds on trees, on the terraces of buildings, on electricity pole and many other places. Birds remain safe from enemies and weather in their nest. Nest is a bird's home. They lay their eggs in the nest, and the birds use materials for making the nest also varies as per the nesting habit of different birds. Different birds uses different type of materials for making their nest. Birds use different things like twigs, straw, leaf, cotton and even their own feather to build their nest. It means bird uses different type of materials for making their nest. Birds make their nest to lay eggs and to hatch them. The primary function to lay eggs and to hatch them. They keep their young ones safe and warm in their nest. Their young babies remain safe from weather, from enemies in the nest. Their chicks stay there till they are old enough to fly. The young ones remains in the nest till they old enough to fly. An interesting experience. This is the experience of a girl whose name is Komal. She is in class 3 and she shared her experience with us. What is her experience? I am just reading now. 15th September. Today I visited my nanny's house with my mother. On the way there were many stones along the roadside. In the space between these stones an Indian robin had laid its eggs in a nest. My mother showed it to me. I was surprised to see that the nest was made up of grass, soft twigs, root, wool, hair, and cotton. I also saw a small chick in it. It was feeling cozy in its nest. Next day, I went to see the nest again. I was surprised when I saw the baby bird in the robin's nest with its beak wide open. Its mouth was pink from inside. The mother bird was feeding the baby bird with small insects. I wondered how a small bird like robin had made such a nice, such a beautiful nest. Children, this is the diary of Komal who saw a beautiful nest of a robin bird, her robin young chicks, and she was very happy to see all this. Birds make sound to communicate about danger, food, and to locate one another. You can see the largest bird. This is ostrich. This is penguin, flightless bird. This bird cannot fly and lives in Antarctica, very cold region. Children, this is hummingbird, the smallest bird. You can see in this picture. This bird sucks the nectar of flower. This is the nest of the bird, children. You can see egg. This is nest on the tree. This is meter box. Electricity box, you can say. The bird make nest here. Nest on the roof, children. You can see the beautiful picture of bird. This is your classwork, children. Write down 2 uses of beak. Name the largest bird. Name the smallest bird. This is your classwork. And this is your homework, children. Draw any one bird of your choice. List some places where you find birds' nest. This is all about today, class. Thank you.